introducing megacities and migration. So megacities is an urban areas with a population of 10 million people, while the migration is the movement of people from one place to another. So these two topics are closely linked to each other because megacities are the often destinations of migrants seeking for better economic opportunities. So can anyone tell me how these two topics are connected?
Megacities are where people move to find jobs and a better life for all.
That's right. Megacities are the often destinations of migrants searching for better economic opportunities, leading to rapid urbanization. But it can cause problems like too many people, not enough houses, and not enough jobs, which can lead to social issues like poverty and inequality.
In Manila, it's a very crowded place and some people live there in a very poor condition.
Exactly. Manila is a prime example of a megacity facing these challenges. Now, let's divide you into two groups and discuss how does migration affect megacities. What are the environmental impacts like pollution and spraying on natural resources? What are the social impacts like inequality and access to services? And how city manage this? So go to your group and discuss within 3 minutes. You will present the comments.
Migration helps cities to grow, but it's really hard to manage. Cities need to provide basic services like water and electricity.
Yes, and it strains resources like water and electricity. We need to find ways to make cities more sustainable, like using renewable energy and reducing waste.
City is dirty, traffic is bad, and some people are very poor. It's not good for the environment.
Exactly. Cities should build more houses and improve public transport. We can learn from other countries that have solved similar problems by investing in infrastructure and promoting eco-friendly policies.
Time's up. After discussing the topic and its problem, what did you guys think?
I think migration is good now, but we need to manage it well. We need to plan cities better and provide services for everyone, including affordable housing and access to healthcare and education.
Also, we need more buses and better buses now. And we need to keep our cities clean by reducing pollution and promoting recycling.
Good points. Now, let's talk about how this affects the Philippines. Our country is experiencing a rapid urbanization, and we need to find ways to manage it sustainably. So, what do you guys think?
We can promote eco-friendly buildings and green spaces now.
And improve public transport like building more trains and buses that run on clean energy.
Excellent ideas. Let's keep thinking about solutions to make our cities better places to live. Megacities and migration are closely linked to each other, and it's crucial for us to manage urban growth sustainably. We need to balance economic growth with social and environmental responsibility. Every small action counts, and together we can make a huge difference. Good